Hi. This is Jaspreet. Welcome to my tutorial Easy Math. In this video, we will solve another exponential problem. Let's review the problem statement. 8 to the power of 8 multiply by 8 to the power of 8 over 8 to the power of 8 plus 8 to the power of 8 is equal to 8 to the power of x. This problem looks difficult, but when you see solution it is like a cakewalk. Just look into the problem. 8 to the power of 8 is common in numerator and denominator. Let's simplify it. Now, in step 1, we taking out 8 to the power of 8 as a common element in denominator. And simplified expression is 8 to the power of 8 multiply by 8 to the power of 8 over 8 to the power of 8 in brackets 1 plus 1 is equal to 8 to the power of x. We divide 8 to the power of 8 with 8 to the power of 8. Equation is further simplified in step 2. It is now 8 to the power of 8 over 2 is equal to 8 to the power of x. When we are solving exponential problem, we try to make same base or same power throughout the expression, so that we can apply properties. Here also we are going to do the same. We know we can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. In step 3, we have replaced 8 with 2 to the power of 3. So, new expression is now 2 to the power of 3 and to the power of 8 over 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 and to the power of x. In step 4, we will apply the property. Now, expression will be 2 to the power of 24 over 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 3x. Had you noticed that all the terms in expression are having same base? In step 5, we will apply another property, that is, if a to the power of m over a to the power of n, then it is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Now expression will look like 2 to the power of 24 minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 3x. In step 6, expression is 2 to the power of 23 is equal to 2 to the power of 3x. Finally, we are going to apply another property where a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then m is equal to n. So, step 7 is 3x is equal to 23, hence x is equal to 23 over 3. I hope you understood the solution. If you have any doubt, write to me at jaspreet501@gmail.com or message me at 9872044484.